It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. This small sports sedan is the right size to fit onto everyone's dream list. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, 4-wheel drive, digital instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,